Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today we are doing another video where it's pretty much short and sweet. We are doing a zone cleaning again. I am actually just tidying up my living room today, and I decided to take up my rug. You will see me clean on this rug. You will also see a little bit of a garden tour in this rug, and that's about it. I just want to continue to show you all that you just do a little bit at a time to help continue to keep your house clean. Hey everybody, so I just wanted to check in real quick with you guys. So I want to introduce myself for those who are new to my channel. My name is Tamika. I am a mom of one. I do have two bonus daughters that are both adults. My husband and I decided to move from Florida to North Carolina about almost 3 years ago. I work from home as a mortgage underwriter for one of the major financial institutions, and I'm just learning to live life to the best of my ability, as well as learning to be successful and to be financially healthy, mentally healthy, and trying to create generational wealth for my family. So with that being said, I also love on this channel, this is an everything channel, okay? So you're going to see everything from cleaning videos, hauls, as well as financial information. I do have a bachelor's degree in accounting. I keep saying finance, but accounting, and I am actually working on my master's degree in accounting. So I know a whole lot about a little bit of different things when it comes down to the finance world. So I don't make myself out to be a guru. I just like to share tips and tricks that will help you get to the next level. Okay, so I want to share with you all that I took this rug up, and you can, it's kind of hard to see from that angle, but you can definitely see. Let me get on the deck. Hopefully it's not, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see the dinginess in the rug, okay? And over here is where I actually cleaned it. I hope y'all can see that. But you can, if you can see from here, I can't tell if you can see, I can see a little bit in the camera, but you can see where I've cleaned and where I haven't, because the middle is still dingy. Look, this is my problem right here. This is my problem right here. Mr. Pause. Go. Go. So, I am cleaning this rug. This is not a sponsored video. I am using a Hoover vacuum cleaner. Y'all, if y'all can see my backyard, I'm getting ready for, let me just give y'all a real quick garden tour. So I do have collard greens over here, and I also have one head of broccoli that I saw coming up. I have some spinach in the back. You can see it all the way in the back. If you guys can see that in the back, you can see the spinach. And then I have my collard greens here, and I also have some garlic on this back one back here. I have a few pieces of garlic, and I have some strawberries that will come back during the summertime. And then in this first one, I have about 6 heads of cabbage, 1 collard green, and then I think that is also some spinach. I think that's kale back there, actually. I apologize. I think that's kale, and then these are spinach. And yeah, so that is my overwintering garden. And it's coming along. It's doing what it's supposed to do, and I'm excited because I did this last time. I pulled all my collard greens and I was able to have greens throughout the year, and I'm hoping the same with the cabbage, because I'm gonna turn here. I did learn how to I did figure out how to I'm gonna try to let me fix this, y'all. There we go. So I did figure out how to freeze cabbage, and so I wanted to get some more cabbage in my freezer for the summertime as well. And then I will also grow more cabbage and collard greens, but I will start them in late July so that they will be ready for November, December. But anyway, so back to what I was talking about. So here we have, back to what I was talking about. So here we have my rug that's in my living room that I'm just trying to take my time and clean. So I don't believe it's going to become, you can see here where I've cleaned here. You can see where it's still dingy. So I'm working on it. It's taking me a little bit longer than I expected, but I'm going to show you guys how I clean my carpet.
I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Miss you.
right, you guys, so this is reality, okay? It doesn't take a lot. It doesn't take a long time to get this cleaned up because it's not much to clean. So all I want to do is show you guys again, it's not hard to keep your home clean. Although we do get in our moods, some of us, you know, we have depression, anxiety, and all that stuff, and it's real. And so sometimes the house does get messy, but if you take a little bit of time every day out of your day and pick a zone to clean, it's easier to keep it clean. I know that's easier said than done for some of us, but for those of us who can, just take your time and just clean up one little section at a time in order to keep the house, the clutter to a minimum. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you all come back and see me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, bye.